Hi students. So let's start Prelims 2023 practice questions part 7. Coming to the first question, consider the following statements regarding cantonment boards. First statement is it is set up under the provision of Cantonment Act 2006. Second statement is it works under the administrative control of the state governor. Third statement is it exists of partly elected and partly nominated members. So here, actually, cantonment boards are established for municipal administration for the army personnel and other civilian population. And this cantonment boards are administered by central government. And the military officer commanding the station will be the ex officio president of the board and continue to hold that position as long as he is in that station. Okay, so the first statement, the cantonment boards are set up under Cantonment Act 2006, which is a act passed by the parliament or the central government. First statement is correct. Coming to the second statement, it works under the administrative control of state governors. This state governor is wrong. It is under the central government. Okay, so second statement is wrong because it is not state governor, it is central government. Next, it consists of partly elected and partly nominated members. Third statement is also correct, and the president will be the ex officio chairman. So, the military officer commanding the station is the ex officio president of the board and will be as long as he is in that station. Okay, so second statement is wrong. So, only 1 and 3 statements are correct. Option B is the correct answer. Second question, Therigata is associated with option A Buddhism, option B Jainism, C Sikhism, D Hinduism. So here Therigata means the songs of Buddhist monks and nuns. It provides insight to women's social and spiritual experiences and describes women's experience of renunciation. So Therigata is associated with Buddhism. Option A is the correct answer. Third question, consider the following regarding hepatitis B. So first statement is it is an infection in liver caused by HBV. HBV means hepatitis B virus. Second statement, some common symptoms of hepatitis B are jaundice, fever and fatigue. Third statement, it doesn't have any vaccination and cannot be cured. So option both the statements, first and second statements are correct, but third statement is wrong. It has vaccination and can be cured at the initial stages, but at the final stage when the liver is fully damaged, so liver replacement can be done or the person can be dead. So option C, third statement is wrong. It has vaccination and it can be cured. So 1 and 2 only are correct statements. So option A is the correct one. Fourth question, choose the following correct pairs. So here Harappa is situated on the river Ravi, Mohenjo-daro is situated on river Indus, Kalibangan is situated at Gaggar Hakra river. So which of the following are the correct pairs? So all these are correct pairs. So option D is the correct answer. Fifth question, choose the correct statements. Yuan Sang visited India during Harshavardhana period. Next is Fahian visited India during Chandragupta I. So first statement is correct, but second statement is wrong because Fahian visited India during the rule of Chandragupta II, not Chandragupta I. So second statement is wrong. So only A is the correct answer. Sixth question. The given list is string puppetry and these are the states. So we have to choose. We have to match the following. So here, Kathaputli is in Rajasthan and Kundei is from Orissa. Gombeyatta is from Karnataka and Bommalattam is from Tamil Nadu. So CBAD. So option C is the correct answer. Seventh question. The land which was kept out of cultivation temporarily in order to recover its lost fertility is called option A Polaj, option B Chachar, option C Parati, option D Banjar. So option C is a correct answer. Here Polaj land means it is the ideal and best land throughout the empire, and this land will be cultivated always and will never allow to be in fallow. That is Polaj land. And coming to the Chachar land, Chachar land is a kind of land allowed to lie fallow for 2 to 3 years and then resume under cultivation. Parati is this one only, the land which is kept out of cultivation temporarily in order to recover its fertility. Next, coming to Banjar land, it is the worst kind of land left out of cultivation for longer than 2 to 3 years. Okay, so for this question the correct answer is Parati, option C. Eighth question is Pala Empire is founded by option A Boja, option B Harshavardhana, C Gopala and D Dharmapala. So option C is a correct. Pala Empire is founded by Gopala. Gopala's son is Dharmapala, and they founded around 750 AD. Now, ninth question, consider the following regarding Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option A, he established organizations such as Bahishkrit Hitakarni Sabha, Independent Labour Party, All India Scheduled Caste Federation. These are the organizations which are established by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, option A is the correct answer. And coming to the option B, he wrote newspapers like Muk Nayak, Bahishkrit Bharat and Janata. Option B is also correct. Option C, he participated in all roundtable conferences in order to protect the interests of the untouchables. So all these statements are correct. So option D will be the correct answer. Coming to 10th question, consider the following correct statements regarding Indus Valley civilization. Option A, Great Bath found at Mohenjo-daro indicates the tradition of ritual, it is bathing. Okay, please correct it. So here, where is this, on which river Mohenjo-daro is located? It is located on the river Indus. Okay, Harappa is located on river Ravi. Now, so Great Bath is found and it indicates the ritual of traditional bathing. Option A is correct. Option B is there is evidence of tree worship and animal worship. And coming to option C, tradition of temple worship does not exist. Option D, all the above. So all these statements are correct. And here we can find people tree appears often in the seals. Okay, and that indicates the tree worship in Indus Valley. And temple worship did not exist, but image worship is present. Pashupati seal from Mohenjo-daro gives evidence of image worship. Okay, there is tree worship also. A people tree on the seal indicates the evidences of tree worship. So all these statements are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Now coming to the 11th question, consider the following statements regarding sugarcane production. First statement is, as per NSSO report, northern sugarcane production saw 42% increase between 2011 and 20. Second statement is, reason for northern shift of sugarcane production is state advisory price and water management. Third statement is, climate change is one of the reason for southern states being less productive. So here also all these statements are correct. So here, as per NSSO reports, the sugarcane production is more increased 42% in the northern states when compared to southern states. One of the reason is water management is more, water availability is more in northern areas, as sugarcane consumes lots and lots of water, and suitable water amounts of water is present in northern areas when compared to southern areas. And in southern areas, valuable water is converted only to the top valued crops. So that is one of the reason for less production of the southern states. And the other reason is the climate change is, there are only short winters, and there are severe heat things in the southern areas. So due to that climate change, sugarcane production got less. And the other thing is, um, the state advisory price is given more in Uttar Pradesh and other northern states when compared to southern states. So this, the price is also very low for sugar production in southern states. So all these are the reasons for the less production of sugarcane in southern areas. So option D, all these statements given here are correct. 12th question, consider the following incorrect statements regarding International Union of Geological Sciences. First option A is, it is one of the world's largest scientific organizations representing over 1 million geoscientists. Option B, it is formed in 1961 and its headquarters is located in Beijing. Option C, recently Mamla Cave in Arunachal Pradesh has been listed as one of the first 100 IUGS sites in the world. Option D, all the above. So here, Mamla Caves is also known as Krem Mamla. It is the fourth longest cave in the world with length of 7 kilometers of cave passages. It is located in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. It is not in Arunachal Pradesh. So option C is incorrect. Okay, so option C is the answer, which is an incorrect statement. Now coming to the 13th question, which organization releases the coldest year of the rest of the lives report? WHO, B UNDP, C World Bank, D UNICEF. So it is UNICEF. So as per this report, around 624 million children are exposed to severe heat waves. So it is released by UNICEF. 14th question, consider the following regarding lead. So option A, lead is naturally occurring toxic metal found in Earth's crust. Option B, the report about lead poisoning was prepared jointly by Niti Aayog and Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Option C, as per reports, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh has highest average blood lead levels. Option D, all the above. So here all these statements are correct, and lead is entering into our body through water, through the usage of non-stick cookwares or potteries, kitchenwares, and so through water and through consumption with small amounts, it is actually entering into the blood tissues, and lead actually decreases the production of hemoglobin. So this is one of the harmful causes, and later it can also cause to cancer. So this is very poisonous. So option D, all these statements are correct. And in the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, uh, there are highest average blood levels, blood lead levels. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 15th question, consider the following statements. Option A, as for State Forest Report 2021, the total mangrove cover in India was 4,992 kilometers square kilometers. Option B, West Bengal, Gujarat, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra are top mangrove areas. Option C, Sundarbans are spread across India and Bangladesh, is the largest mangrove forest of the world. Option D, all the above. So all these statements are correct as per the forest area. 16th question, consider the following statements regarding quantum technology. First statement is quantum technology is based on the principles of quantum mechanics that describe the behavior of atoms, electrons, protons, and micro level atoms. Second statement, quantum technology can become a new way of storing and transferring as well as processing information. Third statement, quantum entanglement and quantum superposition were the two basic principles of quantum technology. So all these statements are correct, and quantum entanglement over here explains how the two subatomic particles can be intimately linked to each other. And quantum superposition is a theory that states subatomic particles exist in multiple states simultaneously. So these are the two basic principles of quantum technology. Okay, so all these statements are correct. Option D is the correct answer. 17th question, consider the following statements regarding Godavari river. First statement is Godavari rises in Sahyadri, is at an altitude of 1067 meters high near Triambakeshwar and flows from Western Ghats to Eastern Ghats. Second statement, this river forms interstate boundary between Telangana, Maharashtra and Telangana, Chhattisgarh. Third statement is it is the third largest basin in the country. So first two statements are correct, but third statement is wrong because the Ganga river basin is the second largest basin in the country, not third. Okay, so only 1 and 2 statements are correct. Option A is the correct answer. 18th question, consider the following correct statements. Option A, moon moves around earth in 27 days and takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. Option B, moon's diameter is only 1/4 of the earth. Option C, moon orbits the earth at the speed of 2288 miles per hour. Option D, all the above. So all the statements are correct. Option D is a correct answer. 19th question, consider the following statements regarding Tejas Mark II project. So it is a lightweight aircraft carrier. Okay, so first statement is Tejas is a single engine and highly agile multi-role supersonic fighter jet. Second statement is it is manufactured by DRDO. Third statement is Tejas Mark II has been described as 4.5 generation machine and have 70% indigenation. So here first and third statements are correct, but second statement is wrong because it is not manufactured by DRDO. It is manufactured by Hindustan Aeronauticals Limited. So 1 and 3 statements are correct. 20th question, consider the following statements. Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current in Atlantic Ocean. Canaries current is a cold ocean current in Atlantic Ocean. South equatorial current and north equatorial current are warm ocean currents flow in the same direction in Pacific Ocean. So all these statements are correct. See, look at here. You can see here Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream is the warm ocean current in Atlantic Ocean. Canary current is a cold ocean current in Atlantic Ocean. And here in Pacific Ocean you can see this south equatorial current and north equatorial current flow in the same direction and both are warm ocean currents. Okay, so all these statements are correct. Option D is a correct answer.